Hi. Alaska isn't your typical cruise. It's not like you're going to Nassau. And if you pack like it, you're going to regret it. Here are the four items that you need to take with you when you go on an Alaska cruise, and the four items that you don't need. And one surprise at the end that you'll find out that'll make your Alaska cruise so much better that nobody tells you about. That's 9 packing secrets that'll make your Alaska adventure unforgettable. From bringing your binoculars on the must-have list to leaving your tuxedo at home, all these will make your packing much easier and stress-free. Let's dive into packing for Alaska.
Welcome to Harbor to Happy Hour. Tammy and I travel the world getting off at cruise ports to see and have some of the most wonderful adventures. We look forward to you joining us as we cruise the world. Please subscribe and like. Turn on the notification bell. Let's get started with our next great adventure.
First up, formal ball gowns. Cruise lines have relaxed their dress codes, so you don't need to haul a gown across the continent. Second, tuxedos. Black tie nights are optional now, and a smart jacket or collared shirt is more than enough. Third, beach towels. Your ship provides them for pools and excursions, so leave yours at home. And finally, snorkel gear. Alaska isn't about snorkeling. It's about glaciers, wildlife, and breathtaking views. Now let's talk about the things you absolutely must bring on an Alaska cruise. These are the items that will make your trip comfortable, memorable, and stress-free. First, layered clothing. Alaska weather changes constantly. Sunny one minute, misty the next. A base layer, fleece, and raincoat to top it off. Second, binoculars. Wildlife is everywhere, but often at a distance. With binoculars, that tiny speck becomes a bald eagle, a breaching humpback, or even a bear along the shoreline. Third, waterproof footwear. Excursions mean damp trails, slippery docks, and sometimes rain. Sturdy waterproof shoes keep your feet warm and dry so you can focus on the adventure. And finally, a camera with extra memory cards. Alaska is pure postcard material, calving glaciers, midnight sunsets, and wildlife encounters. Extra memory ensures you capture every moment. Here's the surprise item we discovered on our Alaska cruise. After a cool day out in the rain, touring, hiking, and soaking in the incredible beauty of nature, there's nothing better than warming up all the way to your soul. And the one thing that makes it possible? A swimsuit. Not for the icy Pacific, but for the ship's steaming hot tubs and heated pools. Imagine sitting in warm water, drink in hand, while glaciers drift by in the distance. It's one of those magical cruise moments nobody tells you about, but once you've experienced it, you'll never cruise Alaska without it.
So there you have it. 4 essential items that you need on a cruise, and 4 items you'll never need to take on a cruise, and 1 surprise item that'll make your cruise even better. Packing smart means more room in your suitcase to bring home souvenirs and less stress while you explore the glaciers, wildlife, and the beautiful scenes of Alaska. If this packing video helped you with packing for Alaska, please hit the like button, thumbs up, and subscribe to Harbor to Happy Hour. Would really appreciate it. Drop a comment below with your tips and tricks that you have for packing for Alaska or for another cruise, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you cruising.
Hope you liked our Packing for Alaska video. If you're looking for more information about Alaska and some of our great adventures, up in the left corner has another series of Alaska great adventures from Harbor to Happy Hour. Thanks for watching.